Claude plus Obsidian is crazy good, and I'm going to show you exactly why, including the Agent OS system I've built that ties all of this together. Here's the problem. Every time you open Claude, it forgets everything. It doesn't know your business. It doesn't know your clients. It doesn't know what you worked on yesterday. You have to explain yourself from scratch every single time. It's like hiring a brilliant assistant who wakes up every morning remembering nothing about you. You explain your whole life again, your name, your business, your goals, your clients every day. That's what using AI feels like without a memory system. So I built one and I want to show it to you right now. Watch what happens when I ask Claude directly what I worked on last week. Inside Claude's working memory, it struggles. It finds bits and pieces. It's vague. It's not useful. It doesn't have the detail. But now watch what happens with the system I've set up. It breaks down exactly what I worked on, day by day, in detail, because it's pulling from my Obsidian Vault, a memory system that's been building automatically in the background every single day without me touching it. This is what I call the infinite context engine, and this is what's inside the Agent OS I've built. Every single one of those stars you're seeing right now is a memory. The ones that glow brightest are the most recent. Click any one of them and you pull up exactly what was logged, what I worked on, decisions I made, notes from sessions, everything. And I didn't create any of these manually. The system built them. Here's how it works. 3 tools, 1 shared brain. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Tool 1 is OMI. It's a free app that runs in the background. It listens, it watches, it quietly writes down what I do, say, and care about all day. It holds around 3,000 memories and it exports automatically into Obsidian. I don't touch it. It just runs. Tool 2 is Obsidian, free notes app, but here's the thing. All Obsidian is a folder of text files on your machine, markdown files linked together. That's it, but because it's plain text, any AI can read it. So Claude, OpenClaw, Hermes, every agent I run, they all point at the same vault. One brain, every agent wakes up already knowing me. And tool 3 is the Agent OS. This is what I've built. It's a mission control that links all my agents together, connects them to the Obsidian Vault, and gives me a visual interface to manage everything. You can see Claude, OpenClaw, Hermes, all pointed at the same vault, same memory, same context, one setup. And look at this, when I pull up the memory recap, it breaks down exactly what I worked on day by day because it's reading directly from the Obsidian notes that OMI has been building. This is how I can open Claude anytime and ask it a real question and get a real answer because the context is already there. Now here's the loop that makes this infinite. Every new chat gets written back into the vault. So the vault trains the agents fill the vault. Tomorrow is smarter than today, and it runs forever. You stop training your AI every morning. You start letting your AI train itself on you. This is what my vault looks like visualized. Every dot is a markdown file. Every line is a connection. It's a living map of everything I know, everything I'm working on, everything my agents have done. Mine has thousands of notes. It grows a little every day. Look, I've built out the full Agent OS, and it's available as a complete zip file you can download and install inside the AI Profit Boardroom right now. Everything I'm showing you, the Obsidian Vault structure, the Memory Galaxy, the Agent OS dashboard, the OMI connection, the daily log automation, it's all pre-built and ready to go. You don't build any of this from scratch. You download the zip, install it, and you're running. We've also got full step-by-step video walkthroughs of the exact setup, coaching calls where we go through your Agent OS live with you, and 3,700 business owners in the community already running this stack. If you want the Agent OS zip file, link is in the comments and description, or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. Now here's what I want to show you next, the actual loop in action. Look at this. This memory file was last updated 13 minutes ago because the agents are writing back into the vault constantly. When scheduled tasks run, that gets logged. When I have a Claude code session, that gets auto-consolidated into the vault daily. This is a live system. It's always updating. And here's what the old way looks like compared to this. Old way, you re-explain who you are every session. You paste the same context into every tool. You get generic answers that don't fit your business. You forget what you decided last week. Each tool starts from scratch. New way, every agent wakes up already knowing you. Full answers built on your real goals. Any past memory found in seconds. And the loop makes it smarter every single day. And this is the bit people always miss. You might think, okay, this only works with Claude. No, because the vault is just text files. Any AI can read a file path. So Claude, OpenClaw, Hermes, every CLIE, they all share the exact same brain. One setup, every tool, same memory. And for different projects, no problem. Here you can see Goldie Agency has its own folder. AI Profit Boardroom has its own folder. Funnel Strategies has its own folder. They're separated, but they're also linked where they need to be. The system knows the difference between your projects, but it also understands how they connect. This is what the Galaxy looks like up close. Click a star, pull up the memory, see everything that's logged. The stars you've touched most recently shine brightest. If you need something from 3 weeks ago, you don't dig through folders. You search the Galaxy or follow the links from one star to the next, and your agents do the exact same thing when they answer you. Now, someone always says at this point, my notes are already a mess, this won't work for me. That's the whole point. The Galaxy connects the mess. The links pull related notes together so you can see threads you forgot were there. OMI is feeding in from the background. The agents are organizing as they go. You don't need to start with a clean system. And someone always says, this sounds expensive. OMI is free. Obsidian is free. The agents are free. The only thing it costs is the 20 minutes to set it up once. That's it. This is what the full Agent OS looks like once it's running. Mission control, all agents connected, memory Galaxy live, vault updating in the background. This is what I use every single day for running the AI Profit Boardroom, for Goldie Agency, for all of it. And here's the thing about the loop. Most memory systems stop improving the day you stop typing. This one doesn't. Every chat your agents have gets written back into Obsidian automatically, one file per day. So the vault doesn't just store what you tell it, it stores what your agents do. Then the next agent reads that and logs more, and the vault gets richer, round and round, smarter every single day. If you want the full Agent OS, and I mean the whole thing, the zip file, the memory Galaxy, the vault structure, the OMI, and Obsidian setup, it's all inside the AI Profit Boardroom, ready to install right now. You literally download one zip file, install it, and the entire system is running. No building, no figuring it out yourself. You also get the full video walkthrough of the setup, coaching calls where we wire up the memory vault with you live on screen, daily tutorials showing you how to get the most out of the Agent OS for your specific business, and 3,700 business owners in the community who are running this exact stack, many of them using it to run their own AI automation businesses. You can also connect with members near you using the member map. Link in the comments and description, or go to aiprofitboardroom.com to grab the Agent OS zip file. If you want the full SOPs, step-by-step processes, and 100 plus AI use cases like the DeepSeek vision workflows I just walked you through, all completely free, join the AI Success Lab. It's a community of 87,000 members using AI every day to save time, get more clients, and automate their businesses. You'll get all the notes and prompts from this video inside there the moment you join. Every workflow I showed you today is documented and ready to use. Links are in the comments and description.